Well, I tried to shortcut as a tree in the road, so here I am coming down another road to try to make it to the house, and there's all kinds of trees in the road, but they're not completely blocking the road, but they're blocking parts of the road. There's like a pine tree or a cedar tree one. Looks like a cedar tree down the road. And there's some more trees down the road here. Oh, it's crazy. There's another cedar tree. Look, it come out, the whole top come out of that one. And there's some more trees. Dang. That whole thing's down, blocking the road. Holy moly. Now this has been an adventure just to get out. Just try to make it to town and back. Goodness gracious. The wind gets up anymore. Don't tell what else it'll blow. And I don't understand why the state don't trim some of these trees back. Especially the trees that are leaning over the roadway. Because those limbs can come down on somebody or something. And it's just crazy. It is crazy. I don't know if there's going to be any more trees. I know there's all kinds of debris and all kinds of stuff. Dang, this has just been crazy. Shoot. I want to get myself back to the house before it gets any worse. But I thought, while I was out, I'll try and make my way back. I would document all this. It's just crazy today. Hopefully we won't see no more trees in the road. But we shall see. All kinds of debris. The wind is still kicking up. Power lines is all swaying and everything. I seen one power line with a pole broke on 100 back there. I probably should have had the camera then, but I thought I filmed enough until I went down that one road and seen trees just everywhere. Oh, it looks like that tree's about to blow over. It's gonna be on the middle of the road. Good grief, it's just crazy out today. Crazy weather. Dang. Well, it looks like it's clear up through here. I think our power is still out. I don't know. Oh, there's my cousin's trailer and the roof got ripped off of it. Oh no. My cousin's trailer's roof got ripped off. I don't know what they're gonna do. Oh no. I'll have to try to get a hold of them. Dang, this storm is crazy. I gotta go home and check on my aunt. Make sure everything is alright there. Oh, dang. God, they're crazy. Dang. Oh, there's a tree down right there. Dang, a big old tree. Dang, it's crazy. We got some big old trees at the house that I hope didn't come down. There's some trees over there that just fell down. Holy crap. Dang. It's just crazy around there. Dang. Well, I'm just about to the house now. So, if I see anything else, I'll start this video back up again. Like I said, hopefully it won't get no worse. I mean, the winds have been bad enough. But you know, it could have been worse. It could have been, still could get worse. But hopefully it doesn't. Alright, I'll catch y'all on the next video.